I'm all right. You know, that's the life of a fighter, right?
Yeah, good. So when you were running, were you able to use Hyperarch?
Yeah, yeah. I thought about it a lot, and I was staying on my toes more. Like
Yeah,
the balls
the
in my
foot.
feet. Yeah, yeah.
How high is your heel off the ground? Is it like a little bit off the ground, or like you try to be like 45 degree? Like how high was it?
Oh, that's a good question. I was doing hill sprints.
Okay.
So it's which was kind of nice because it feels like the ground comes up to meet you when you run, you know. And maybe next time I do them, I'll get someone to record a video.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. And rest.
Definitely felt some upstream there. Yeah, I felt my glute. I felt hamstring. I felt it like traveling up. I felt less calf on that time, but I still felt a little bit. But I would say I felt mostly foot, glute, and then hamstring, calf were around the same.
Okay. And rest. Good. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Where do you feel in the body?
I felt a little bit. I definitely felt in the glutes. Now when I slam, I want to stay on my toes, correct?
Right. You want to stand on your ball of the foot with the heel raised.
I think a couple times I let my heel down and then I corrected myself.
Okay. That's fine. We're gonna get better for sure.
Cool.